Now for Mad Science Mondays, sponsored by Dodge City Paintball.
Welcome back, party peeps. It's time for Mad Science Monday here on Living Oklahoma. Our favorite mad scientists are enjoying the spring season and all of its beauty. Let's head back to the lab to see what these mad dogs are up to.
Yes, we are the dogs. Living Oklahoma, we love the show.
Woof,
yeah.
woof.
Yeah, and do you know what time of year it is?
It's spring.
It's still springtime. I love it. Beauty of spring. What's happening in the springtime?
Well, there's multiple things. Rain, heat, paint getting on my hands.
Food coloring, yes. Oh, colors of flowers. I love flowers.
Oh, flowers.
Yeah. So listen, we've got something for you today, and this is what you need. You need glasses, you need water, you need food coloring, and paper towels, okay? And that's it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I took a piece of paper towel and I cut it in half, and then I'm gonna rip it in half here again. One for you, one for me. Now, I want you to take 4 or 5 drops of blue food coloring, put it in your glass over there. I'll put red food coloring here. Now, do you know what we get when we mix red and blue?
Purple.
Purple, exactly, but we're not gonna mix them. We're gonna let the water mix them. So pour water in there. Go ahead and fill it right up. That's good. Pour water in here. Fill it right up. This is so cool. I saw it on a YouTube video.
So you know it's gonna work?
That was my YouTube video.
Oh.
More.
I spilled blue.
Oh, don't worry about it.
It's
Okay,
science.
make sure if you're gonna do this, ask your mom or dad, parent or pet first.
Actually, I feel like the pet wouldn't be so bad.
Yeah, the pet would probably drink up all the water.
Yeah.
So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it right there. I want you to take your paper towel, kind of roll it around here, roll it up, so it makes like a little tubey thing. See, like that?
Very accurate description.
And then give it a little twist, and that twist will stop it from unrolling. And then fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half like that. And then what we're going to do is set it over both, so that one end will be in one part of one glass of water, and one end will be in the other glass. There, just like that. Okay. Let's put those closer together. Okay. Now what's going to happen, and you can already see it happen, is called capillary action. And what that means is the water that's colored is going up the paper towel here, and it's going to mix down there and turn that water there. What color?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, let's set this over to the side here. And I tried it earlier so that we could see if it would work, but I used red and yellow.
And it made orange.
And that's what we got. Now you can tell that it's not really far off, but it does mix the two colors there. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now we do this and other things just like this in Mad Science Camp,
Ooh.
which we're going to have this summer. Go to our website, okc.madscience.org. Check us out on Facebook. You can sign up for our camp, and you too could be the mad scientist just like
Me.
Miles. Pretty cool, huh? Get a cool lab coat like this if you're lucky. So that's what we have for you today. Can't wait to see you next time right here in the Mad Science Lab with the Dogs of Science.
Bye-bye.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
We'll be back on Friday after our Mad Science finale around 10:45 a.m.
Yeah, and be sure to set those DVRs so you don't miss out on any of the fun. And you can even try those experiments at home with your family.
And remember to visit okcmadscience.org for more educational resources.
All right, guys, for more information about Dodge City Paintball, you can check them out at their location, 16425 Northwest 150th Street in Yukon, or give them a call at 405-373-3745. Hit them up online as well at dodgecitypaintball.com.